to replace the motherboard, and I'll continue the process by doing so. And at this point here, if you're not changing the motherboard, you're just changing out the hard drive. This is the hard drive. I believe the screw is just going to be 1, 2, and 3. Oh wait, maybe just 2 screws. And you can just remove the hard drive. You can change it to a solid state drive if you want. For those of you who wants to increase RAM, this is where you can add additional RAM at the bottom slot here. Okay, you can just slide it in and press it. But for my purpose on this video, I am changing out the motherboard. And this is the replacement motherboard I have. I'll be replacing this in a minute. This here is the Wi-Fi card. Go ahead and disconnect one of that cable. Here is the CPU fan power. This is for the speaker, and this one is the right speaker. This is a SATA connector for your hard drive, and I believe this one here is for the power.